Hello, good day. I introduce myself. My name is Julian Galvez. I work with tourist guide in this particular destination. It is a package of 3 days and 2 nights which has cost over 599,000 pesos per person. The plan includes ground portion on Venda and return maritime transport in Buenaventura, breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Tourists are called next night what would make reasonable portion with templates, medical assistants, card, doctors, then trade coordinator. It is very complete package. How this help think clear? I am tempted to do adopt. Thank you very much. Listen to me. 20 pounds are new and you write and card number. The person match. Bye bye. Good day.